Hello friend and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and today I decided to start the video with a little bit of ASMR laundry sounds. If this is your first time here, thank you. I would love for you to join my channel and hit the subscribe button. Today it's a very quick clean with me and make a dog treat because I am going back to work on Tuesday and my life is pretty hectic these days. This dog treat it's for the fall and it's something very simple to make. All you will need is equal part of pumpkin puree, and make sure it's the puree, and whole Greek yogurt. You mix together as you saw me do, and then you refrigerate for about 2 hours. I can guarantee that your dogs are gonna love it. We have two older dogs that you're gonna be able to see at the end, and the oldest one actually has gland issues, and the pumpkin helps her with her bowel movement. Because the yogurt's loaded with probiotics, it will also help your dogs with any skin rashes as well as ear infection. Plus, it helps them clean their guts. Hope you try it out and you leave me a comment down below letting me know if your dogs loved it. Here you're gonna see me trying a new way to fold my towels, and I did not like it, this one and the other one, and I ended up unrolling them and rolling them back the way that I usually do. Coco, you ready for your treat? You ready for your treat? Aww. Ashley, you ready for your treat? Look how pretty. That's yours. No, yours sits over there. Luna. Is that good, Cocoa? Now we're gonna have to wash these floors. Yum, yum, yum.